having a big pirate party. This treasure chest is filled with the things we need for the party.
You'll never find it now.
Oh no! Swiper swiped our treasure! Will you help us find the treasure in time for the pirate party? Great! There might be treasure behind the locked door. Bolt coin!